The standard configuration of VS400 consists of 3 parts: imaging unit, charging cradle, and charger. How to charge VS400. Connect the charger with AC power, and connect the charging cable with the charging cradle. Attention! We must connect the charging cable with the charging cradle, only in this direction. Then we put the image unit into the charging cradle. Attention! The button must face to this direction. Then you can find the indicator is on. When the battery is fully charged, the indicator will change into color green. How to power on VS400. Firstly, turn on the main switch, then short press the power button. After 2 beep sounds, the device is power on. How to power off. Firstly, long press the power button. After 2 beep sounds, the system is power off. And then turn down the main switch to completely power off the imaging unit. VS400 has standby function. To enter the standby function, we can short press the power button when the machine is power on. In the standby state, short press the power button again. We can wake up the device. VS400 has multiple functions. We have different color, different size, different display mode, and inverse mode. In order to get a good vein image of the patient, we must keep the distance between the imaging unit and the skin at distance around 20 centimeters. When we find the characters in the vein image is clear, the image of the vein is clear. 5 colors. We can change the color by short press the color button. Three kinds of size. We can change the size by short press size button. Short press inverse button can inverse the image. Short press the mode button, we can change the brightness. There are 3 degrees of brightness. Long press mode button, we can switch between fine mode and universal mode. In fine mode, we can find deeper and smaller veins. This is the universal mode. This is the fine mode.